Hello everyone. Welcome back my YouTube channel Art Presets. In this video, I will show you how to edit blue 19 Neo premium filters using Lightroom mobile. Let's get started. Click on Light. Contrast -30. Highlights 20. Shadows -30. Whites -30. Blacks 50. Then click on Curve and follow me carefully. Then click on Color. Tint -15. Vibrance 30. Saturation -10. Then click on Mix and follow me carefully. Red. Saturation -10. Luminance -10. Orange. Hue -10. Saturation 10. Luminance 20. Yellow. Saturation -20. Luminance -10. Green. Saturation -50. Aqua. Saturation -50. Blue. Saturation -50. Purple. Saturation -50. Magenta. Saturation -50. Okay, done. Then click on Grading and follow me carefully. Shadows. Hue 50. Saturation 25. Global. Hue 225. Saturation 40. Okay, done. Then click on Effects. Texture 100. Clarity 10. Dehaze 10. Grain 30. Roughness 70. Then click on Detail. Sharpening 100. Our photo editing has finally been completed in Lightroom mobile. I hope you like this video. Please share my video with your friends and family and click the like button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel Art Presets. Also click on the bell icon so you don't miss any of our new videos update.